So what's good guys, my name is SREE here, and yes, LG G7 has just been announced, and this is gonna be an LG V40 or V35 leak video. So welcome to the video, and yes, let's get started. So the specs are confirmed. We'll be having a Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor, 6 GB of RAM, and yeah, the specs will be in the description box below. Make sure you check them out. And yes, as I said, it might be named LG V35 or LG V40. Evan Blast is saying it's like V35. If you don't know what's the true thing, but we can trust on Evan Blast. It's a trusted leaker. But anyways, let's hope for the best what LG will do with that. So with LG's long-range microphone distance, we might see voice recognition password or login. Other than yeah, it will be having face unlock and fingerprint sensor kind of stuff like that, but we might see. So this is a true image. It took me whiles to pick up this image. Anyways, yeah, we might see LG V35 or LG V40 with a 5G connectivity. That's so cool, and we'll be having USB Type-C. And guys, as I said, specs in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. It will be IP68, and yes, as the V30 or V lineup, they will be having a P-OLED display with a high resolution. We are not confirmed with the resolution, and this is also a true image, so it's not rendered. So far we only have information or access to this much parts. Anyways, I think guys, trust me, what I said is true. We don't know, the LG G7 has just been out, but I'll keep update you with the leaks and kind of stuff. Anyways, SREE here. Talk to you guys in my next video. Peace out. Keep updating. Yeah. So LG V35 or LG V40 leaks. Specs in the description box below. So that's it for 2-minute leak video, and peace.